In this video, I'm going to show you how to allow a user to manage their own email status. But if they want to completely opt out of all your email marketing, they can set their email status to non-marketable. And if they have opted out, they could click a link to opt back in as well. So to do that, we have to set up a web form inside Infusionsoft to allow them to opt back in. So let's go into the campaign builder and do that real fast. So what I've done is I created a campaign called Opt-in Manager, and all it has in it right now is just a web form called Opt-in Form. So if I click on this link or this web form, all it has is email address. So if you have first name or last name or any of that other stuff, just remove it, and all you need on this web form is email. Now the other thing you have to do is set up a redirect to make sure that when they fill out this form, we're going to redirect them to a web address, and they're going to go to the opt-out page that you have set up. So this opt-out page, this URL, is basically this URL right here. So just copy that, put it in there, and then check this box, and that's very important that you check that so that we know who this person is when they come back to the site. So after you've done all this, just publish this campaign, save it and publish it, and now what we can do is click on the Edit Tag Labels and this box where you can allow a contact to set their email marketing status. We want to check that box and select the opt-in form that you just created in your Infusionsoft account. So just check that, hit Save, and now let's see what the web form looks like if we look at it again. So if we click on the Manage Email link, now we have some text at the bottom that says, click here to completely opt out of everything. This will mark your email address as non-marketable. We will not be able to email you if you do this. So this is basically giving somebody the ability to change their email status from a opt-in to to opt out. Now if they click this link to completely opt out of everything, we ask them to confirm that they want to do that. And so we set their email status through the API. We say that they've opted out. Now at this point, they're allowed to opt back in. They just have to click this button, yes, opt me back in. They can opt back in. Now to opt them back in, what we do is we submit a hidden web form that has their email address, and we submit the web form that you just set up in the campaign builder. So when they click on this link to opt me back in, it submits the web form, and they're redirected back to this page with their contact information. So now their email status is a single opt-in. They've opted back in, and from here they can choose to manage their email settings as they want.